You just open and drink, I guess. Wow. Really needed, guys. Super hot. Look at that. Wow. My glasses are dirty, guys. Are wet. Oof. Alright, my question is, Google Maps tells me to go somewhere here. Is it that one, you think? The Blue Mosque? But how do I get there? Like, I don't know, because I see everything closed here. Well, I see blue anyway, the top. So might be that one, the Blue Mosque. Let me ask. When I didn't. Blue Mosque?
Yes.
How I go? Straight?
Yes, straight left.
Thank you. Straight left, guys. So Google was again right. You can see it already from here. They are renovating it apart, I think. Look how clean, guys, this city is. It's incredible. Look how clean. Wow. Alright, there you can go inside. Okay. Look at all the tourists here. Fantastic. I love when they have the, like, the, how do you say, the thing, the peluche, the teddy bear, to tell I'm here. What is that? An Egyptian column, looks like. You see it, guys? Alright, here is the Blue Mosque. And we can go in. Let's go, guys. Wow. Look at this. How huge it is. Fantastic. Alright, amici miei, we can go in here just a bit to show you. Let's see now. Look at that. Wow. We're making a lot of photos. Wow. Yeah. Guys, I don't know where to go. It's full of people. Let's get in here. Wow. Mesmerizing. Look at this. Guys, I think you never saw so many tourists in my videos. It's the first time, right? Look at this. Wow. Look how huge it is. And they are renovating that one, I told you. Fantastic. Look at the architecture there. Wow. Ah, the entrance actually is there. So we can go there, I guess. Can we? And of course we need to take off the shoes. You know it. So before we get in the mosque, you need to take off the shoes. Alright, where we go? Entrance there. Here on the right, I guess. Alright, you see it's divided for prayers and not prayers. We are not gonna pray, so we go on the right. Prayer area. Where I put my shoes? Let's take off the shoes, guys.
Shoes carry inside.
Where we put the shoes?
Carry inside.
Thank you. Guys, we need to put it inside. We go around like this now. Wow, look how many people. But look how nice. Wow. It reminds me of that white mosque in Albania, guys. Full. Sorry. Full. Okay, we can put the shoes here, guys. Stay there. Okay. Wow. It's incredible, really. I'm curious to know what is written there, actually. But since I don't read Arabic, guys, I'm not... I don't know. Let me ask this guy. Sorry, you speak Arabic? No. Doesn't speak Arabic. Okay. There is another thing written there. I don't know what it is. Ooh, and it's huge. I don't know if you grasp, but it's really huge. Look at this column, for instance. It's really huge. Okay, I'm gonna ask someone to make a photo for me, guys, because I'm alone, so yeah. Alright, guys, you see the gentleman is praying there, so we can't get in. We need to stop here. And look how nice is this place. Wow. I'm really speechless, sorry. So for the women, of course, they give something to cover their heads. It's normal. And look, I think upstairs is for women when they pray, if it's the same like Albania, but really this part really reminds me of that white mosque, the new Grand Mosque of Tirana. You remember from my other episode for sure. Guys, photo taken, time to go out now. Really overwhelming here. A lot of people, which is normal. I was looking that I took the right shoes, guys. I think I did. The exit is not here. The exit is somewhere here. Don't step on the carpet with your shoes. You see, Turkish, I remember the word is exit. It is here. I think it's another zone to pray, that one. And look from this perspective. Wow. Okay, we can go here. Okay, will we find a place to sit here? Found it. Alright, amici miei, put the shoes. Let's go now. Let's go out now. I need to change the battery of the camera, guys. I need to find a place to sit and change, because really with this hot and filming, there are so many things to film, you know, that the battery really drops super fast. So yeah, a bit of wind. Thank God, really. And we are again. You see, we came from there, and then we went in, and now we are out. Okay, guys, we can go again here in the square, and we are back at it. Wow. We'll have a photo actually from here too. Let's ask someone if they can make it. Let's ask this lady. Photo done. Now we go out, guys, because we got another place to visit. I think it's the breakfast now, if my memory is still good. Let's see. But first we need to get out here because it's really incredible. Look on my bed, guys. How nice is this? Wow. Told you, everything is mesmerizing in this city, in Istanbul. Guys, how about we sit here and we change the battery of the camera? Yeah, probably on the shadow. Yeah, here. Alright, amici miei, battery changed. Now I want first of all to see what is this Egyptian thing, because I know this is Egyptian, looks Egyptian. The, how do you say, not graffiti, sorry, the language here. I know it's Egyptian. So what is it? Wow, Spanish. Why there is here in the middle of the square this Egyptian thing? This is the thing I don't understand. Anyway, let's follow now Google Maps. Theodosius. It's from the column of the Emperor Theodosius, King Theodosius. I don't know what he was, but I heard it was originally 30 meters, guys. Here you can see better the mosque. Look, guys. Wow. You see, there are a lot of tourist groups, guided tours in this city. Honestly, I prefer to not have any guide, to be honest, to do my own research and then go there on my own pace. So, yeah, but I think it's subjective. We're gonna follow all these people now, and we're gonna go straight. I think this one, Hagia Sophia History Experience, is the museum of Hagia Sophia, guys. Next, we're gonna go to Sultanahmet Park. Among all the languages that I have heard, I think Spanish is the most prominent, the one that I hear all over and so many times. I think it's the 10th time I hear Spanish. In 1 hour? Yeah, I think Spanish people really love this city. Look, here you have another perspective of that thing, that fountain that we saw before. I don't know what is here actually. I think it's another mosque, guys, here. But it's pretty small compared to the other ones. Sultanahmet, we're still in our zone, guys. We chose the hotel really good. This is the old town. Here you can take photos with the mosque, guys. Look. Wow. Where should we go actually? I think here on the left, right? I think yes. According to Google, we need to go here on the left. And that's what we will do now. Alright, this place. Okay, I will take it from here. This bread actually.
Evet böyle.
One.
Ben normal.
How much? Da normal. No, no, no.
20 lira.
Huh?
20 lira.
20 lira. Card?
Evet.
Card?
He?
Card?
Kart
No. 20 lira.
Kart.
20 lira. How much is that, guys? 1 euro, I think. You have what? Sir, can I take one?
Al oradan al. Al.
Yeah.
Al kağıdı al. Kağıdı. Kağıdı tut. Kağıdı. Kağıdı. He.
Thank you.
How much is it?
Ha.
20 lira.
Oh, 20.
Guys, they arrived the fresh one,
I
so I'm
know,
gonna take
right? Just came from the bakery.
Ne var lan? Öp.
I'm waiting for
Nereye
the
arama?
exchange. Good?
Okay.
Okay. Can I take?